Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain how can you use honey and lemon juice to treat pimples and also to remove pigmentation to your face. How can you use lemon juice and honey to remove pimples or pigmentation to your face? So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. It is like this. Pimples is a common skin condition which affects many people. And also there are so many causes of having pimples. It can be due to genetic. Sometimes your father had acne or had pimples. You're also at a high risk of getting pimples. Also it can be due to hormonal. Especially during puberty, many women and boys and girls, they normally get pimples. But also it can be due to stress. Sometimes during stress, people they develop pimples. But pimples it is caused by bacteria. That bacteria is called Propionibacterium acne, or you can call it Propionibacter acne. So it is like this. How can you use lemon juice and honey to treat pimples? So this is how you're going to do. You're going to take lemon, you're going to squeeze the lemon, you're going to make the juice, and you're going to keep it in a container. After that, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of organic honey. After adding that, you are going to stir. You're going to make a paste or a mixture. After that, you're going to leave it for some time. After that, make sure that before applying it to your face, make sure that you wash your face. So you're going to wash your face by using clean water. After washing your face by using clean water, you're going to use a towel to dry your face, a clean towel to dry your face. After that, you're going to take that mixture of honey and lemon juice. You're going to apply to your face. You're going to apply it all over your face, all over your face, all over your face. And after that, you're going to wait for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then after that, you're going to wash. We're going to remove that mixture to your face by using clean water. So it is like this. The lemon juice, it contains citric acid. Citric acid has the ability to dry the pimples. So citric acid in lemon helps to dry the pimples, so the pimple will dry. And also honey has antibacterial property and also has the property of healing, so will also help to the pimples. And also lemon juice has a bleaching agent, has a bleaching property, so will help to wash away or to remove, maybe if you're having pigmentation or you're having any scars on your face, all of them they'll be washed away. So the mixture of lemon juice and honey, it is very beneficial. But also lemon, it contains citrus fruit, it contains citric acid, and the citric acid it has antifungal property. So antifungal property help to remove, it may prevent or to remove, maybe if you're having candida, fungal rashes, all of them they'll be removed by using lemon juice. So some people, when you use that mixture, it causes irritation due to the presence of lemon. Some people they're having burning sensation to the skin, so just stop it. Although there are other ways, if that way is not helpful for you, you can use other ways. Some people you can use apple cider vinegar, or can use toothpaste. All those are beneficial to remove pimples. So if you see this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.